Treadmills have always been the favorite exercise machines for doing cardio at home. Not only are mechanical treadmills better than ever, but curved manual treadmills are rapidly taking over the cardio equipment industry by storm. Personal trainers and athletes actually prefer these curved treadmills over motorized ones. There are many products available to choose manual and curved treadmills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best manual and curved treadmills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Manual treadmill with 16 levels of magnetic resistance. Even cheaper than the Sunny ASuna, but still a force to be reckoned with, Sunny's Force Fit Mill is our top budget pick. If you are looking for a fantastic low-budget manual treadmill, you should seriously consider it. Just because it's smaller and cheaper than all the deluxe models listed above doesn't mean you can't push yourself on this treadmill. The Force Fit Mill comes with a heavy-duty steel frame and 2 heavy flywheels. These take a lot of energy to get started, but really let you run fast. It has a steep 13.5% fixed incline, and 16 levels of resistance designed to wear you out. And it really can get tough and hardcore at a high resistance setting. If you are looking for an easy workout, no problem, you can loosen the rear roller, which will make the exercise easier. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 1407M Manual Walking Treadmill. If you are on a very tight budget, you can't find any cheaper treadmill that gives bang for the buck as this Sunny treadmill does. The SFT 1407M is a completely manual walking treadmill. It has a magnetic mechanism that is powered by your strides. The only electronics are in the tiny digital monitor that keeps track of your stats. The mechanism is based around dual flywheels at the front of the machine. When you push each foot against the running surface, it transfers power to the flywheels, which help you keep up fluid momentum. The maximum speed is technically as fast as you make it, but it's not a treadmill for sprinters. You can control the momentum easier depending on where you stand on the running surface. For example, if you stand near the front of the machine, you can up to a slow run, because this transfer momentum to the flywheels more quickly. If you stand near the back, you can stay at a nice, leisurely walking pace. Still, if you want to just walk, you can put a block of wood under the back of the running deck to level it out, so the treadmill is almost flat. Number 3. Exopedic 100XL High Capacity Manual Treadmill. Exopedic's 100XL is a manual treadmill made for walking. It's packed full of thoughtful details that make it easier for large people to work out. This makes it our top budget pick for taller, heavier people, or just about anyone looking for a cheap treadmill that's for walking purposes only. If you're not too confident in your stability, the 100XL's magnetic tension comes with a pace control mechanism designed to keep the speed steady. It also has 2 flywheels that are each 6 inches in diameter for extra smoothness. Even if you are walking on it at a slow or moderate pace, you can even do some multitasking while workout out. The Exopedic is steady enough to walk on without holding the handlebars once you get the momentum started. The treadmill is great, and walking feels smooth, even if you are a big woman or man. Number 4. Fitness Reality TR1000 Manual Treadmill. The TR1000 is an ultra-low budget treadmill made for walking and slow jogging only. It has 2 incline positions of 6 and 10 degrees. This is a quiet treadmill. The only things you'll hear are low whisper from the belt and your own feet landing on it. A large number of reviewers talked about how quiet this machine is. They say all you can hear is a low whisper from the belt and your own feet landing. The 2 flywheels are made from iron for extra heft, and the giant belt rollers help you get the momentum started quickly. This tiny budget machine comes with tiny transportation wheels and a tiny budget screen that does its job tracking your stats. The manufacturer's warranty is 1 year. Number 5. ASuna High Performance Manual Treadmill. Sunny Fitness is well known for making affordable yet very well-built exercise equipment, giving great value for money. The 7700 ASuna treadmill carries that tradition. If you are looking for a manual treadmill that is a bit cheaper and smaller, Sunny's ASuna is one of our favorite picks. Not only are both the incline and resistance adjustable, but this treadmill is also foldable. The incline starts at 10 degrees and has 4 adjustable levels up to 14 degrees. There are also 8 levels of adjustable resistance. At the higher resistance setting, you can get a pretty challenging and intense workout. You can adjust the ASUNA's size with a soft drop folding mechanism that cuts its floor footprint in half. Although the treadmill is manual, the folding is done automatically with hands-free hydraulics that protects your fingers and your floor. It's excellent for either height workouts or incline walking. If you like going on long, gentle runs at a medium pace, the difficult resistance might make it less than ideal for you. Even at the lowest resistance can be a little bit difficult for very long runs, especially if you are a beginner. The frame is guaranteed for 5 years. All the other parts and components are guaranteed for 6 months. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.